DW Spectrum has the ability to synchronize and unsynchronize on playback. So let's select a camera here, and let's zoom in our timeline. We'll go to live, and we want to go back in time a little bit. So we're going to go to 9:30 a.m. on this video. Now, we want to go back to live, so what are we going to do? Let's go ahead and select that same camera, and what we're going to do is unsync the cameras. So I'm going to click unsync, I'll hit live, and now this camera is going to go back to a live mode. Meanwhile, our camera that is unselected is still in review mode down on the timeline. So if I select that camera again, you're going to see I can manipulate its time frame while staying live on this camera. I can do this with multiple cameras. So now I can see here I'm still live, and on this one I'm archived. If I were to pick another version of the parking lot camera, I could select here. Because I'm unsynced, I could go to another time frame. Now I have my two cameras live and my two cameras looking at different periods of time on the adaptive timeline. If I want to get everything back to live, I would hit sync again and hit live, and all my cameras would be on the same timeline again. This is a very creative way to stay in live view and search for an incident simultaneously.